ท่านว่างเดินหน้า39ปฏิบัติ
Okay, at this point, I would like everybody to please be seated. We're going to kick off the program.
จัดแถว
Will be, but it's important. As Hmong American, it's a very important time in our life right here. Today is also, this year is also an election year. So let's keep in mind, number one, we have to be good citizens. Number two, we have to remember to vote. And if you have not voted yet, if you have not registered to vote yet, please go ahead and register to vote. It doesn't matter what party you belong to, whether independent, Democrat, or Republican, just vote. So I wanted to welcome everybody here today. The mic wasn't working before, but over here to my left is where the bathrooms will be. Actually to my right is where the bathroom is going to be. There's also a set of bathrooms if you walk out the hallway this way. There's a bathroom over there. So we're going to go ahead and kick off, and I do apologize. Like I said, it's the very last minute. We're going to try to make this go as smoothly as possible. So first up is Lao Veterans. He used to be the director for Hmong American Partnership and has been an outstanding leader here in Wisconsin as well as Appleton for the last 20, 30 years, and pretty much built up Appleton.
Thank you. I am Senator Roger Roth. Let me just start by saying it is not only a pleasure, but it is a distinct honor for me to be sharing this stage up here with these veterans. Lo, thank you so much for that introduction. He mentioned that I'm in the Air National Guard, veteran myself, and I know the bond that you have amongst the brotherhood and sisterhood for those men and women who have worn the uniform and served their country. I know how important that is. I know how important it is for the airmen that I lead, that they get the recognition for the service that they bring to their country. And that's why I know how important it is that we as a state formally recognize the individuals who have stood side by side the United States during the Vietnam War. And that's what the bill that we have before us here that we are introducing will do. As I look out here, I see veterans from Vietnam who served non-Hmong Laotian who are out here, and they know firsthand how important it was during that war that we had friends standing with us. And the gentlemen who are behind me right now on stage, these are friends and allies of the United States who gave and sacrificed for what we were doing over there. And not to recapture what the entirety of that war was, at the end of it, when we came home, it was important that we took the men and women and their families who supported us, that we brought them out so that they didn't suffer the persecution. And that's what these individuals did. They left their villages, they left their homes, they left some of their family to come here, their possessions, to come here for threat of retaliation had they stayed. So they gave all. They gave all to support and serve us. When they were fighting over there, they did many things in support of the United States, helping us as we were trying to prevent the Russia supplies on the Ho Chi Minh Trail. But I think the most important thing to me as an Air Force veteran is the fact that they helped with pilot search and recovery for United States Air Force pilots who flew missions over there and had to eject over Laos in Vietnam. So that's what today is. It's investing and recognizing the estimated 1,000 Hmong veterans who are living here in the state of Wisconsin. And we're indebted to them for their service and for their sacrifice. That's why Senator Jerry Petrowski, a name that many of you recognize, who comes from Wausau, Wisconsin, that's why he and I are introducing this legislation that will designate May 14th as Hmong Lao Veterans Day to honor those soldiers, these soldiers who fought for freedom in Southeast Asia. This bill calls for the governor to issue a proclamation each year to recognize May 14th as Hmong Lao Veterans Day. And it calls for our flag at the Capitol to be lowered to half-staff in recognition of that honor. Let me just, in closing, say to you all that what we are doing here today by establishing May 14th as Hmong Lao Veterans Day, this is really the beginning of a process to bring that recognition to the individuals who served our country, who sacrificed, many of whom were standing behind me today, to bring recognition to those 1,000 individuals who served our country during the war. And this is the start of that process. So thank you, gentlemen, for your service. Thank you for your sacrifice. Thank you for all you've done to help make our country the country that it is. We couldn't be here and do what we do without your service and sacrifice. Thank you all. Now it's my distinct pleasure and honor to introduce the Wisconsin Lao Veterans of America President, Now Shula.
Thank you, Senator. Today is a very important day for all Hmong Lao and my friend Vietnam Veterans Day who here to support us. I am in my group and all the Hmong Lao veterans in state Wisconsin will appreciate today. We need the May 14th, and this year on the state Wisconsin to propose that bill, and also I like it to encourage all my friends Vietnam veterans and all the people come to enjoy art in the state capitol on May 14th. With that day, it's very important for us ceremony and all day to recognize the Hmong Lao Veterans Days in the state capitol this year. And in the past years ago, in Minnesota, Governor Tim Walz passed the May 14th to all the Hmong Lao veterans in state Minnesota officially in there. But this year, we pretty much need that day too. The same day, my friend Vietnam veteran, they recognize days in March 29 in 1973. They pulled out of the tour from the South Vietnam, so they recognize that day as the same day, the May 14th. So I'd like to encourage everybody come to support. And also I will proud and thank you for Senator Roth and Senator Joe Petresky and Representatives Pat Snyder. There should be some propose this bill for us. I hope that one should be passed this year for us. Thank you so much for Senator Roth. You're here today. We will support you. We need that. I hope everyone should be justice for us for 45 years ago if we come to this country. And I thank you for everybody in the media and come to support us today. Today is a very important day and we will appreciate for everybody. Thank you. Không rõ nữa của.
Cho nên là tận nó đây.
Ok.
Cho nên là tận nó. Có lụa mai cả được. Sẽ phân số theo. Chỉ đã áp bỏ vào chỉ hãy có lúc này chúng ta.
General Rank Klaus, all the leaders, and the King Thai, the King Laos, all the leaders in this book. It's very important. The Governor Scott Walker, Governor Tony already got it. And Senator Joe, a couple they got it. This year I will present this book for you. must help you to understand why the Hmong people are here, why they try to support the Vietnam veterans or Vietnam War in that time. It's very important work to they give that to you to help you.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. I appreciate you.
Bên trong có là xóa.
Yeah. Nhớ rằng nô là giờ nô chẳng chẳng chập lời cho bây giờ có tôi chờ và nô là giờ nô man để nô y linh tu nô thì có bé trong áo xe này ngầu nhớ cho họ luôn đồng Everton nô là bé tuônแต่nó và mua cho medium American tôi cho trông thế vì bé mới tu nó chữ tôi hostay tôi thì tôi thả cho bé trong bèo lúc mẹ có plau chỉ khó nói dễ khó chẳng chẳng hành đồ bé bé tôi xịt thả thế xin chi nô nào nữa cú thả mất cha bé lò cú giờ bé thằng nào xua xong tua lúc còn học có tụt chờ nhớ sáng Wisconsin lúc sợ nó thả mất cha tao bé là cho ý chồng phong dơ cú tụt chờ thế ý chồng này ta hàn chạy mong chạy bờ chạy hai American tí xì lê là một cho ý chồng này chỉ là mấy bé sản hoa hử sợ đời nhớ tao tao chế kia rồi nên sợ đời bao hết vậy lời dùng một trăm biểu nó cho là ô cả pan giờ bé sợ đời ship ba thay thì tia mà theo thì pan cho lúc chỉ liền tôi nút thì có plau chúng ta trên nền gỗ nó nhớ cho nó state capital Wisconsin tin là lỡ thả ôn tú rồi làm mù chỉ nút nó tụ senator nó theo thì tôi kia thì ô trả lời lời dùng phải nhận ô trăm biểu nó cả pan thìเขาnói khỏi trong xe chấp lời thì thà qua hủy trong cái tên cha sẽ là tôi còn bé chứ lúc mẹ có plau là giờ chỉnh chỉnh rồi sẽ là chỉnh chỉnh đi cha chỉnh chỉnh thì nu tới giờ nu bé tụ nọ là giờ bé tụ hóa tàiท่านเนี่ยพูดว่าปอมองยิ่งจิมัวที่ตื่นเชี่ยชาเนี่ยพูดว่าปอเจนาพูดว่าปอจะตุจ่อไปเอาก็ต่อสงครามเวียดนามตัวเจ้าอีเจ้าชาเจ้าจีเจ้าก็มาหายไปหมดแล้วตัวมาหายเราเจออะไรยังหายที่จ่าลงได้เจนู่นน่ะอย่านู่นท่านเนี่ยพูดว่าปอพี่เจส่งออเชียปลอหรือตัวประกาศยอดโอนด่าstate capital คนน้อยไปเจ้า follow up เราเจอนู่นน่ะช่วยส่งแล้วมัวจะ proclamation ไปซื้อแต่ที่ช่องน้อเลยว่ากับจำเบียวนพันไอ้ก็ไปคำเป็นรออียาลีจ้าไปมินนิโซตาอย่างนู้นน่ะไปที่ตัวแต่น้อไอ้นู้นน่ะทางว่าหกที่นึกจ้าเฉลยรับตาหันเตอตัวมัวเสียหายชิมัวหล่อนู้นเตออย่างนี้ถือเทอินู้จังจังไอ้ชิมัวนู้นเตอไปตัวจิตใจนู้นน่ะไปตัวจิตใจได้เจอน้อน่ะเจท้าก่อนนี่เฉลยจอกอาจารย์หลุดเจไอ้เจ้าให้ป้าเปิดตื่นตาหน้าที่ชีป้อนเนี่ยที่นั่งมีตู้มีหยวกเป็นต้นเนี่ยจะตู้เตือนสันเจก่อนนี้ตัวกล่องเป้ตรงนู้นต่อนะเอ็งก้าวมันอย่าเป้กว่ามันยกพันทิ้งยกพันซื้อยังเลยเราใส่จำเป็นเดี๋ยวตัวเป้เสลยปอเที่ยวเสลยกับน้องเชี่ยเที่ยท่านน่ะพูดนะปอเที่ยวจ่องล้อเจ้าเป้ตัวที่เจอเนาะนู้นแต่นู้นจังชอบเลยเป้นู้นไม่กบเล่าเนาะเที่ยนู้นเราจะเป้นู้นเจญาละเจ้าเวียดนามไปตรัสเลยนู้นอย่ารู้เป้หลินตัววันที่หนึ่งเอาจั่วtrong ý chế cho buổi sáng cho bé là tờ ở chế chỉ bộ tù nhau rồi Sài Gòn chỉ là món nu cho là là nu recognition day tí dạng gò nên một chơi nhau Facebook thì họ cho Việt Nam rất là chỉ tờ lo nếu mà muốn nhận nó cho information cho bé nu là tí dạng gò bé chơi đông tận tao nu thì nu chẳng chẳng nó bé tao đông tận tao thì nu thì nu chẳng chẳng tao là nó bộ về Washington và họ nó thọ chơi trong cái tin năng trà phong dư tê cú nào cú chữ tên này tên gì tên cho nó cho qua sẽ đời xóa lên xóa tù tua cổng bé nữa chỉ là cơ nó tháo cả bé gì tên này cũng là bỏ thiê bé chọn khu này ta hẳnเป็นต้นจากกรณีก็มันดังเราหมดจะข้าราชการผลเรื่องเจ้าเมืองเจ้าแขวงต้องสารในบ้านวันนี้อีสื่อเจ้าเป็นหล่อเลยท้อกันนี่เราป้าปอปัวเจ้าว่าที่น่ะเจ้าจิรุเชลุนเจ้ากับเราป้าที่เตี้ยกับเป็นจมูกยังเป็นยันจอเนี่ยตุเจ้าตุนจีเจ้าอยู่ตั้งเหอเนี่ยชัวลังชัวตัวตัวมัวจอมันช้าปัวลูกเตลุเชยยาตาเราเลยตัวนู่นตัวตัวเต้มีตุ้มหนัวมูยัวจีโปตาจีโปเกอร์ตัวยาตอนเต้ยังเราเต้เจอนอท้อเจอเนี่ยเจอหลอนดอคุ้มครองเจอก็เจอนอกก้าวหูนอกก้าวย่อยจงกับเป้จอคือที่นั่นจ่าพุ่งยิงช่วยเจอเราตีรู้เชื่อรุ่นเจอถ้าก็เราโอเคเป้หัวดัชชีกับยาดัชชีรุ่นนั่งนอนหมดเลยตอนเต้นะ 我那些的做人道我弄那些多讲哈那天，就领导些搞些那干样用呢。
ok nhá rồi chỗ này dịch đến trả lại trồng sai này sẽ được nhá tao vào tao chơi nè còn từ nó bây giờ cho lẩu sai nổ nó bây tua còn cho cô tu trò là hai chọn được họ lúc mày cột lâu nè lúc mày cột lâu giờ lúc chín tu vẫn chỉ cột lâu là giờ mới cho rửa bên mông tu giờ lên đầu của cho nên mình chỉ ở bên tu tu trò nó sẽ là xài để trả thế nào nè ok nhá rồi này sẽ được
nó đó cũng giờ nên gì mua cũng nhớ miêu kỳ luôn luôn mang cô hu cho bé trồng tu chơi tung chơi cho sinh lực sinh tử bé cho nó cho nằm nát là phần lại nè chỉ bố cho giờ cho cứ ô tỏ cứ bé căng cho cứ giờ support tàu trong biển nó phan rằng chế lợi mình sản cho bé cho cô tu trò là giờ cho cứ chơi trôn trang tăng là vì giờท่านพลมาบอกอยู่ตัวคือเป็ดตัวนายคือเจ้าเป็ดสีตัวรวมมีการตัวย้อนรู้ที่ชื่อว่าแม่งน้องเป็ดสาเจ้าตัวมีตัวนู่นน้องเป็ดตัวเขาเดรู้ตัวเช็คคือรู้ตลาดลงเจ้งเนาะวิยอดออตัวเซนเตอร์เซนเตอร์รัชโรดยอดตัวคือนำนาดคือจ่อจอดนักเข้าอเมริกาคือโนยอเป็ดตัวมีเดียมวงตัวไทยจ่อตัวเป็ดเลือปูวันที่เมย์กับเปล่าโนกับเป้เจ้าย่อพิสกันสินเนาะเลยย่อมินนิโซตาย่อมีตัวเตาตัวปังเป้สปอร์ตเลยคือเป้เจ้าย่อเจเตาเคลตัวหลักโคลดตัวสปอร์ตเป้เมก็ให้ก่อนกูฮูก็ย้อนตีมั่วเชิงคงเดจูเมวันที่กับเปล่าเป้มุนจามินสันน่ะก็เมย์เฉลยตัวกงเป้ก็เชื่อจำเบียวคือเจ้าแขวงอีเวิร์ดท่านนี่เดี๋ยวอยู่ใส่จุดเป็นจงชาคือนู่นก็อย่าเป็นตัวมองคือมีเดียมเต้าตัวเจ้ารู้ทีวีคือวัฒนธรรมอย่าตัวคือจงใจก็เมื่อนั้นชื่อก็เป้าว่าเจ้านู่นคือจอสเนเตอร์จังเต้าตัวจงเป็นชิดถังเนาะเป็นจงชาแห่งเป็นเจ้าตัวจอตัวใจอย่างจงเงินเขาโกหูกับเป็นจงมองเลยรอพุทธหลอดโจหัวเป็นเจ้าคืออพยพตัวยอดที่เชื่อว่าไม่เนาะคือก่อเปี้ยเตาเก๋ลูเมย์กับเปล่าวันที่กับเปล่าคือเราเจอแต่ลงเจ้งตัวยอดเป็นต้นยอดท่านพงศ์บอกให้เจริญเหนียวตัวยอดตัวคือจอดเปี้ยตัวนะเจจงชาโกหูตัวเปี้ยอีเจ้ามองโซลินตัวชื่อหาตัวลูกตัวยาวตัวนู้นได้ก่อนโกหูกับเปี้ยเฉลยตัวยอดจนจำนิสันนะ用山刀，
là vậy họ dùng bênตัวbao giờ chỉ dùng, bên gió hồ lửa vậy gió hồ lửa rèm bao, thì tên nó tên chịu và thầu chuột chuột bên nó lúc cái chuyện nó là lỡ chỉ xa có thì là chỉ xa mình thua tới, thì giờ bên phèn hải thì liên thua tới mà, còn nó vậy họ dùng thì chẳng弄được cho đến chủ tôm mù chơi cái lúc thế bỏ thì cho mông cũng tu trò là chỉ bên sườn mông nó yên sát tổ tiền vì đi chặt tiền hay nó bâyตัวรู้ได้เชิญnó mà chỉตัวlý lương immigrant đó bâyตัวรู้ได้เชิญnó mà bâyตัวlý thì poverty refugees thì bây giờตัวlý chót chót chỉตัวlýตัวเกิดจู่เกิดเจี๋ยตัวที่น้องเดียวอย่างlý nó màเขาnói yêuเขาchỉ chính chỉ bây giờตัว keep เขาเนาะก็รัวไปส่งหัวอเมริกันที่ป้อเตะไปตัวเตะจนเนี่ยไปตัวได้จีเตียยาลีวีลีจะไปเตะตัวนั่นมาเยอะๆจู่วีก็จอดเลยนะยาลีเราเนี่ยที่หัว refugee party ก็ไปอยากจะหนึ่งเต๋อจะนุ่งเต๋อมาเฉลยจู่ตัว有เฉลยสายเตะเมก็เปล่าเนี่ยอีกเขาด้วยกันนายสเปย์เตะก็ป้อเตะไปห่อหนึ่งเต๋อไปป้าอเมริกาลิวลีนอซึ่งจีเจ๋งแต่สิลูกเตะจนเราก้นใหม่จะก้นใหม่อ๋อลีนเต๋อซึ่งเราตื้อให้ยั่วห่อเที่ยมาโตลีนเต๋อgiờ li nó mà bị cho cái tên cha sẽ được chủ tôi một số tôi một ga trong đó giờ bị mà mấy thằng ru nữa mà mấy thằng ru sẽ bổ trợ họ bia mà lúc tới chỗ nó mà nếu như đó bị giờ mình cả cho eo lại suy chỉ bị nhưng chỉ tàu đi ở bộ cột lốc giờ li nó mà nó bị ở nhà tư giờ hay cho thì tiền gì nó chỉ lấy những chủ tôi bị thành rồiแต่是还做你自己马路了，这有几年好栽的这，因为我的是，所以叫了他叫个的你扎出来木，古巴的弄用啊，多，也弄用，不老叫只用嘛，只好弄呢，啥的用语呢，那就用语，中国的 lâu chúng chỉ xong đó là bắt đầu là chúng nó cho cũng là tôi chỉ muốn đặt stake kia muốn kia lên đó ít thà thì nó mạnh chân hay thì bây giờ nó phụ bảo cho tiền à nhưngเขาnóiที่ยุ่งบ่ได้นะgiờ lên màเขาnóiเขาคุยtrong xe chậpเลยthì nó cho nó chứ nóตีตะก้าหรอbỏไปcho chính trị bây giờ chính trị nó mà giờ họ cá món để lúc thế chờ nó lấy chỉ xác quaก่อนตะก้าฉุนไอ้ตัวมั่วชั่วเปล่งนะแต่chỉไปอวดตีให้จะเกิดเรื่องตัวมั่วชั่วเปล่งจะเขาnói giờเขาจริงจริงแต่giờเขารงไอ้โจกุเตนิจ่าตอนนู้นตัวเฉลี่ยตัวเนาะกู encourage เฉลี่ยจุดตัวหมู่ป้าเป็นด่าไปอย่างมงgiờ tôi chỉ có tôi cho là nên để nên gì dân giàu nên bỏ gì giàu nhau lúc tới chợ bò mà gì cho phần bùa muốn vượt cho giờ lên nó mà cho đời tuần này sát sai thì cũng nó rất giả cũng bây giờ cũng chỉ tao cho cũng chỉ tao chia con này có gì có bao nhiêu dân uổng lại thế có dân giàu mi tu mi nhổ tôi cho thế có chỉ là có tôi một sáu con đời giờ vì con đời thế tôi lúc tới chợ này thì cũng thọ chờ cho đời tôi một ba đồng đại một trâu cho đời
nhớ rồi cú lúc bé hoa xuân giờ sinh chung nô nó bé tuổi ấy nó cứ chỉnh giờ nô mẹ cậu blog cứ hồ state Wisconsin nó bôi vô pro trang chạy cứ lúc mẹ cậu blog cho bé cho cô tu trò chỉ hàm mông chỉ hàm lò chỉ hàm bút thơ lò chùa nhau trò có trò nhau trò lò trò tê giờ lên đó cú lúc xưa nó cú thang qua hồ cho bé trong là chỉ cái tin trang chỉ hà cho cô tu trò là cho là chỉ cái tin trang cho nó cho qua cho bé sinh xuất lời nu mẹ cậu bao lu xong nó bé giờ mua trong celebrate nu mẹ cậu bao nó nhớ cho tao state capital mà sáng chờ bé trong là chỉ cái tin trang tôi chơi tôi cùng nô nói ấy nô chỉnh chén cứ dù dù bây giờ cô tu trò bây giờ nọ cho chữ là sự bây ý trồng mông cứ tàu băng hay nên America luôn rồi giờ lên nó họ có cho lên cho tu cùng ha tu chơi bây có bây trăm biểu nó phan rồi họ nói giờ ý họ chân chỉ cứ rong hết rồi bây trồng mông số rồi rồi hay nên là cho bút thơ cho bùi cho chu cho hai này nhá cho tích là cho thọ pha lù nó cho bé trong là chỉ cái đi cha nên nô mẹ cậu bao lù xong nó nữa bé giống một ít lù trong celebrate nhá cho tờ state capital hồ lù chế tổ chế na có số trời tổ cộng có tàu lên nữa rong sa ở chỗ yếu vàng hát gia sa tại yên chỉ mẹ số lên số tụ nhá cho tờ state capital ở chỗ
lên đó này trong này chỉ cái tên cha cho lên đó này nên trở về cá thế này bây giờ mà tôi cháu cô tôi cho nó cá cho nôn tới nên thì bỏ hai theo cá bên này lấy lao xin đánh tới này lao xin một trắng là một chúa lấy trà nó chỉ nên sao cá sai nè